Great leaders move employees as battalions conquering impossible challenges. Leaders aspire people to transform organizations as a whole. In this video, we will share about the meaning of HRD solutions in the context of leadership and team. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, EXCEL-HRD. I am Wong. I'm a HRD consultant, trainer, and writer. As a community, we talk about leadership and HRD solutions. You can refer to the description below for the list of HRD solutions. If you have not done so, you can subscribe. Click on the notification button to get my latest video, and remember to like this video. In the words of researchers Kang and Singh in 2011, the greater the competence of manpower in resource utilization, the better is the quality of outcome for organizations. Human resource development seeks to provide a unified learning experience organized within a definite time period, such as there is an increase in job performance and individual as well as organizational growth. This point is about breaking down the HRD concept and explain it from different words. The three words are human resource, that refers to the pool of talents, skills, and abilities present in a people, in an organization, and they are available for the organization to use to achieve their strategies, goals, and objectives. The second word is development in HRD, that refers to the methods used and the processes used for continuously upgrading and equipping the human capital or the employees with newer and relevant skills, and it also provides them with systematic learning experience for the overall growth and development in the body, mind, and spirit. The word solution in HRD solutions refers to an action or a process to solve a problem or to find an answer to a problem. So, what does this mean to you as a leader? The three words, human resource development solutions. Think about it this way. Thus, human resource development, HRD, is a set of interrelated and linked activities towards assessing human potential, upgrading specific skills, and positioning these skills according to their capabilities that is needed to be effectively achieved by individuals and organizations. To fully use HRD solutions in your leadership effort, you can think also about the HRD solutions as comprehensive components of solving a problem or dealing with a difficult situation. Also, you can think about it this way. HRD solutions are all activities in developing your team members to optimize their level of performance. And it also means that you are managing people issues or handling a certain situations in the professional setting. What do you think about the term HRD in your line of work? Leave a comment below. Till we meet again, do subscribe, click on the notification button to get my latest video, and like this video. See you soon!